If you could stand on the moon and look back at the Earth, what would you see? How would it compare from our familiar vantage point? We know what the moon looks like from Earth, but what would the Earth look like from the moon? Pretty strange, actually. The moon is tidally locked to us, and it presents only one face of the Earth. If you were on the near side of the moon, the Earth would always be in the sky. And if you were on the far side, you'd never see it. From any spot on the moon, except on the far side, where you cannot see the Earth would always be in the same place in the sky. If you were standing on the moon, looking up, you'd see the Earth hanging in the sky forever and revolving on itself, or for however long your robot body holds out. Also, it's weird there, so you'd probably want to move. The Earth, seen from the moon, also goes through phases. It would go through phases, like the moon, moving from total darkness, though core to illumination, full Earth, and back again. But the features on the Earth would be changing. The face of the Earth would be illuminated, and you'd see the entire planet turning throughout the day. However, they are opposite to the lunar phases that we see from the Earth. It's a full Earth when it's new moon for us, last quarter Earth when we're seeing a first quarter moon, a crescent Earth when we're seeing a gibbous moon, and when the Earth is at new phase we're seeing a full moon. For the moon, our Earth appears nearly 4 times larger than a full moon appears to us. And, depending on the state of our atmosphere, shines anywhere from 45 to 100 times brighter than a full moon. So when a full, or nearly full, Earth appears in the lunar sky, it illuminates the surrounding lunar landscape with a bluish-gray glow. From here on the Earth, we can see that glow when the moon appears to us as a crescent. Sunlight illuminates but a sliver of the moon, while the rest of its outline is dimly visible by virtue of Earth light.